Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel. A lot of YouTubers are talking about the Sawyer Boy. In 2018 a lot of stuff happened, including he was launching China consoles and even some portable systems. The website went down and everybody thought it was over, he stopped selling these portable systems. And now it's 2019 and he's back with some new products. So I'm not going to bitch about it, no, not at all. I just want to focus this video of if he's going to do some Sawyer Boy handhelds, what can we expect? Because there is, as you can see, a lot of system out there and this is not even everything. There are so many. So let's do a little bit of a chit chat and yeah, what are maybe good ideas for a portable system? So in the past he was selling systems like this and I can tell you already, these, let's say PSP, Vita knockoffs. This is one of the latest versions. This one is for Data Frog. And I can tell you this one is not great. It's not perfect in many ways. I did a review about it. Check it out if you want, if you're interested in products like this. But for example, a quick example. PlayStation is supported on the system, but if you're making yourself your ISO from your original games, putting on it like Tekken 3, it doesn't work good or not at all. So yeah. Don't dropship stuff like this because people are going to get disappointed. So yeah, you can make a system like this, a big ass, the Soulja Boy ultimate portable system or extreme or ultra system, what do you want to call it? I came up with some names, but so for example, you can just sell these without games and you can just sell them and yeah, just sell them without games and people can add their own games. But again, like the Data Frog over there, a lot of problems. Not all the games are working properly and did a review about this one, check it out. It's not all bad, but yeah, for example, there's no normal D-pad. Wah, 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 wah. This can be something. Let's say it is the Sawyer Boy head. Alright, it sounds really wrong, but you know where I'm going with this. This is based on RetroPie and you can create your own software. So maybe you can use a kind of RetroPie or another system that you can configure to your own needs. And maybe you can just make it with a little decal of Soulja Boy game console. We're not recommending it, it's not very durable, it's a little bit clunky, but you're getting the idea. For example, this was the one he was selling in 2018. It's just a retro game, the RS97. Did a review about it, check it out. I did a normal, the black version and the white version. The white is the pro version. But this one runs on Open Dingus. This is custom firmware or software. And what is really awesome about this thing, it's not bad at all. It got a nice screen, a very good D-pad. The system itself, if you use just not the regular software but the Open Dingus or the improved software, it runs pretty damn good. You can add your own games to sell it without games and you can even hire a team, add your Sawyer Boy console logo in the beginning when start up. That would be very awesome and very unique, but still it's going to be a very basic console. But yeah, if you can improve it and you can just make it better than the official retro game, then you're making your own system. So for example, what you can do is sell this tablet. It's an old tablet, did a review about it, check it out. It's running on Android version 4.4 if I'm saying it correctly. But yeah, it's running on Android and if you have technical staff, you can maybe do a little bit of custom Android version on it, even with some decals, don't add games and yeah, give the people some store credit from the Play Store that you can buy this thing, make an account, download their own games on an official way, on a legal way, and you have yourself a really awesome portable system. So for the last example, let's look at for the last example, let's take a close look at the GameBoy Pi. We can call it the Sawyer Boy Pi, and this is a system with big possibilities. If you rename it, you give this thing let's say a custom intro or a little Sawyer Boy Pi edition. Just make some own software. Don't give games with this thing, that people can add their own games, and you have a pretty damn awesome system. Don't you think? So yeah, that concludes a little bit of this video. I really love to know, what do you think of all of this? Yeah, there were some ideas what he can do and what he maybe is going to do. You never know, but from this point so far I know he's just drop shipping stuff from China to his regular customers, and that is just wrong. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell because you get notified, and see you next time. Bye bye.